student, a small correction in the ninth problem, the previous video. What is the ninth problem? At last I gave a shortcut how to find out the third term here. The formula actually I gave it wrong. It is Sn minus 1 is equal to An. So this is a shortcut to find out. The sum of n terms is given. We have to find some term here, third term. How to find out? Sn minus s minus 1 is equal to because we want to find a third term, a3, this n is 3 here, so we will find sum of 3 terms minus sum of n is 3 minus sum of 2 terms equal to an. Okay, that is third term. How to find sum of 3 terms? Don't, because already sum of n terms is given. So s3 will be what? 3 into 3 square plus n. That is 3 into 3 square is 9 plus not 10 plus 3. So 27 plus 3. 27 plus 3 is 30. The same way you can find out S2. S2 because you have to separate these two to get the third term. So S2 is again 3 into wherever n is the right 2 square plus 2. So 3 into 2 square is 4 plus 2. That is 12 plus 2. 14. 12 plus 2 is 14. So 30 minus 14. 30 minus 14 is third term. 30 minus 14 is 16. Option B is correct. So this is a small change, correction you have to make. Okay, the previous video what I have done, 9th problem. Okay, so we go to the next problem. So that is the 10th one. This is multiple choice. Question is the constant term in the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation. This is a problem about quadratic equation chapter. 3x square minus 3 into 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. After reducing into standard form, you have to reduce into standard form. What is standard form? You know it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to. So this is standard form. What is the constant term? So this c will be the constant term. When you compare what is the value of c, you will get that is a constant term. So how to we have to reduce means we will multiply this 3, we'll remove the bracket here. So 3x square minus plus into minus 3 2s are 6, that is 6x minus to minus plus 3 4s are 12. So we will compare with this form, standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I told constant term is c here. C is constant, there is no variable here. Here this is a variable here because x is unknown is there here. Variable v. So these two terms a and b are these two are the variables. Constant term is c. So answer c is equal to 12. So the options what they given is a is 3, b is 4, c is minus 12, d is 12. So option D is correct here. Okay. So this is a very simple one. The 10th one. We'll go to the 11th one. So 11th question. One root of the quadratic equation. Again, problem related to quadratic equation. One root of the quadratic equation is the quadratic equation they given 2x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 0 is minus 5. Then other root. So what is root? Solution. 0 is what you call it in polynomial. Polynomial for this year it is not there for you. So the solution. So one of the solution was root is minus 5. What is the other? Because quadratic has two roots here. Now if you see this is again don't multiply and bring it to standard form, then I solve by factorization method or formula method. After factorizing the quadratic equation, if you remember when the factorization method, we get this step. Then we will equate 2x minus 3 after taking common second time. We will equate 2x minus 3 and x plus 5 to 0. If you see equate x plus 5 to 0, x is equal to minus 5. So this is one of the root. What other root? So again 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to take 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. Other root is 3 by 2. Which one option? Option A is 5. B is minus 3 by root 2. Sorry, minus 3 by 2. C is 3 by 2. C option is correct. And D is 2 by 3. That is not correct. So again don't multiply and bring it to standard form, then solve. If they given like this, when you multiply with the quadratic equation only, One root is minus 5, other root equal to 0, and we get the answer. Okay, so this is 11th problem. 12th one. 12th question is the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Nature, discriminant, delta. What type of roots will get of this quadratic equation? We know if this delta b is equal to b square minus discriminant, this value b square minus is, if you get this value as positive number, then real and distinct means roots exist. There are two different roots. Roots are there. There will be two different roots. If is equal to 0, then we have two zeros are equal. Real and equal. Real means exist. The roots are there. And equal means 2 equal. 2 and 2. Minus 4 and minus 4 like that. And if it is negative number, you get less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Because if you see the option they given A, real and equal, real, rational and distinct, real, irrational and distinct. If you see option B and C, both are same. Either the root can be rational or irrational number. That we are not worried. Either it is rational, distinct. Real and distinct only will check. Whether it is rational or irrational not. So if you see option B and C, C also is real, irrational and distinct. So B and C options are same only. Okay. So we have to, so only 3 options are left right now. D is complex. Complex is nothing but no real roots, imaginary roots. Okay, that is the options. Now, we compare the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Substitute the values of a, b and c. So here b value is minus 2, minus 4 into minus 2 whole square. A value, here quotient of x square is no numbers, will consider 1. The constant is 1, c is 1. So it is 4 minus 4 into 1 into 1 is 4, 0. So discriminant is 0. So the answer is real and equal. The first option A, real and equal, because you got 0. So 2 real and equal roots you get. So this is the solution for the 12th MCQ. If you go to the 13th one, 13th question. The sum of squares of 2 consecutive odd numbers is 394. The mathematical equation for the above statement is. So they given in the form of a word problem. We have to frame write in the form of an equation. So what is the option is given? Option A is x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 394. Option B is x plus 1 whole x square plus x plus 2 whole square is 394. Option C is x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 394. And D is x plus 2 whole square is 394. So the question is the sum of squares of 2 consecutive odd numbers. So first we should identify what are the odd numbers here. Consecutive odd numbers. When you say only consecutive numbers, we know we will take it as x plus 1. Consecutive means continuous number. If x is 3, x plus 1 will be 4. We are adding 1 here. Then they given odd numbers or even numbers, then I'll take x plus 2 is a consecutive number. Either it is odd or even. Because if x is 1, then the odd number, plus 2, 3, odd number will get. If x is 2, even number, plus 2, 4, that is even number. So either it is odd or even, will take consecutive number x plus 2, x plus 4, so on. So sum of the squares, x square plus whole square, because some two terms are the binomial root, is given as 394. So which is the option? If you see, correct option is B. So this becomes consecutive, x and x plus 1. This also becomes consecutive only. Consecutive to x plus 1 and x plus 2. And this square is missing here. So these three A, C and D are wrong. Option D is correct. Okay children, so this is about the 13th problem. Go to the 14th one. given figure, given right angle triangle ABC. So B is 90 degrees given. AB is given as 6 centimeter and BC is 8 centimeter and AC is 10 centimeter. You have to find the value. To find the value of sine 90 minus theta, you have to find what is the value of sine 90 minus theta. Theta is here at C. The option is given as option A as 6 by 10, C is 10 by 8, and B is 10 divided by 6, and D is 8 divided by 10. So we have to find sine. What is the value of sine 90 minus theta? We know sine complement triangle sine 90 minus theta is nothing but equal to cos theta. The complement triangle, this is to complementary. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So in place of sine 90, we will find sine 90 minus theta is nothing but this is sine 90 minus theta. So you should take A as a reference angle for sine 90 minus theta. So this is we know the ratio of sine opposite. If this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta because it's to complementary. Opposite by hypotenuse. This is A reference angle. This is opposite 8. Hypotenuse 10. 8 by 10. Or you can take cos theta. Cos theta is theta. Cos theta means this is a reference angle. Adjacent by hypotenuse. 8 by 10. So anyhow we can do. So the answer is 8 by 10. Option D is correct. Okay.